Yeah, I'm one of those dumb guys that work for it, huh? Alright guys, what's happening? Hey, welcome back to another video. If you guys have not watched any of my videos before, my name is Mike, and this is Pond Hopper Fishing, guys. Do not forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, and of course, hit that subscribe button, guys. So, let's get into this, okay? So, here's what I do every time I go out bass fishing, especially if I go out in the morning, or if I'm fishing in the afternoon and at night. ATT, guys. How many of you guys know what ATT means? I guess you guys aren't going to answer right now. Always target top, guys. My favorite, absolute favorite fishing there is. When you see the explosion on top of water and you just see a bass just absolutely cream it, it doesn't matter what size bass you're catching or fish in general. If they're hitting top water, that gets your heart just pounding. So here's what we're going to do. All right, we're going to throw around. Jeez Louise, I can't even grab it. We're going to throw around this dual pitch from 13 Fishing. It's called like the Rave Bunny color. As you can see, it is just, I mean, there's bass teeth marks all over it. What are you going to do? So we're going to throw that around. I'll put a link to this lure down in the comments. This is the 108. They have a smaller version as well. I can't remember the size of it though. It's like a 90 or something like that. But the sound that that dual pitch makes and the walking and the sound that it makes and the movement that you can get it to do, the walking, it is perfect. I actually gave away one of these on an Instagram giveaway, and shout out to JR Bass Fishing. If you guys aren't following him on Instagram, go check him out. He was the winner of my giveaway. So here's what I throw my top water on, guys. Let me get this little sweet looking jig out of the way. So here's what I throw my top water on, guys. Concept Z slide. I used to throw it on Flora Clear P-line, but now I'm at 50-pound Power Pro braid. That's because I've been doing a lot of saltwater fishing with this reel. Those videos are coming up, guys. I know there's one person who follows me and says subscribed who's asking, hey, when is the trout video coming out? Don't worry, bro, it's coming. But I got to get this top water video out of the way. So, Concept Z slide. I have the 8-3-1-1 gear ratio, and I throw it on my MV Black, which is a amazing rod. So, what I do with my top water is that I'll tie a leader onto the braid. I don't go straight braid to it usually. So, getting into this video. I always target topwater fish. Sometimes I don't have enough topwater strikes to make an entire video out of. So what I did, I think this is probably like, I think it's like 2 times going fishing, maybe 3. But all these are gonna be topwater strikes. There's gonna be one fish left over from the Alabama rig fishing, but I will tell you guys this. I caught my new personal best topwater fish in this video. You're going to want to stay tuned and look out for that. Anyway, let's get into this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Whew. Oh, I got smashed. Oh, I got smashed, bro. He's a feisty one too. Oh. Yeah, he's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a chunk. Whew. That is a chunk. There we go, guys. Nice topwater fish to start the morning. Let's get her back. She absolutely just crushed it. Beautiful morning out, a little cold, but they're hitting topwater. It's like 45 degrees. Topwater. No, this isn't the you actually have to work this one. Yeah, I'm one of those dumb guys that work for it, huh? Yeah, I'm one of those dumb guys that hooks up first time I throw it. Oh. That ain't no 2-pounder. There you go, guys. Nice little topwater. Shocking, they're just starting to eat topwater now. See, girl. Uh-oh, he missed it. I just had one miss it. It was big. There you go. Hey, he came back at it. A smaller one, though. He came at it 3 times, dude. Get back, partner. All right, guys, if you look, Paul's over there trying to throw the dual pitch because I talked so much crap to him about the Berkeley Chapo. We'll see if he can actually make it work for him. I hope he does. Once you get that dual pitch bite, it's over. That's just the sound of it, and when they hit it, usually they explode on it. That was like the softest dual pitch bite I've ever had. That was still pretty cool though, because he came at like 3 times. Oh, that's big. Oh. Oh, yeah, dude. I don't know. I can't see it. It felt real big. Nah, I don't know. Nah, not a 5. It might be a 5, actually. Nah, I'm coming. Nah, it's not. It's not. It's like a 4. Yeah, that's what threw me off. Dude, they're smashing this thing. Holy crap. That's a good fish. There we go. All right, guys, number 3 on top. It's funny how the day starts. You start with a let me get this hook back in the water. You start with something on a Texas rig, and now you're getting stuff on top, guys. So there we go. Go, girl. Nice. Freaking thing, dude. Anytime it goes out like that, yep, that hurt a little bit. It feels like you got a bite. Because I fished it enough to know that sometimes it just gets heavy. It doesn't necessarily, you don't necessarily have a fish on, but it just gets heavy. And then sometimes it gets heavy and you do have a fish on. So sometimes you don't even feel a strike on these. Sometimes you just feel weight, like just pulling it. So better to try and set the hook than lose a fish like that right there. That was a bump, but I don't know whether it was me hitting some structure down there because I'm throwing into shallower water or what. It was a definite bump. I'll bring it back there, see if we get another bump. Or maybe a fish. Oh, yeah, that's a fish. Yep. Yep. That's big too, guys. That feels big. There might be more than one. Gosh. Maybe it's not that big. I don't know. No, that's a good size. Yeah, guys, that's big fish. Big fish on the A-rig, guys. Get up here. Yep. So I did feel the bump. And it was a fish. It wasn't just structure. That's a nice one on the A-rig. That is a chunky little guy, man. He's short and stocky. This is a Far Outdoors fish. If you guys don't know, Paul from Far Outdoors is short and stocky. Sometimes I call him Husky. But, guys, that's I don't think it's quite a 5. But that's upper 4s, I'd say. I mean, she's really thick. I'm going to get a weight on her just because I'm not positive this is not a 5. All right, it's basically 4 on the dot, guys. So great fish, but yeah, that's definitely it's definitely a quality fish. All right, guys. So once again, you know, I called it a Paul from Far Outdoors fish because it is short and stocky. And you know what, guys, go give his channel a subscribe, man. Go check it out. I'll have one of his videos linked. But yeah, that's pretty fish, guys. Not bad at all. Let's get her back. There she goes. Like a freaking tugboat. There we go. Oh, we finally got one to eat, guys. Jeez Louise. That's a good one, too. Get up here, boy. Oh, yeah. Finally got one to eat, and that's a big fish. Woo! Hey, hard work pays off, guys. That's all I gotta say about that. That was hard work, and that's probably a 6 and something, guys. That's gonna be my biggest topwater fish, I think. Not positive. Knew it had some weight to it when it hit. All right, I'm gonna go upper 5s. I'm gonna guess, but it might not be. Freaking bugs. All right, guys, mosquitoes are really bad over here. All right, officially, my biggest topwater fish, 6.15. We'll weigh it one more time just to be sure. Okay, zeroed. All right, 6.15 and 6.12. So, yep, officially my biggest topwater fish, guys. That's pretty solid. New PB. That's what I'm talking about, guys. All right, guys, so I've had one bite so far, and that one bite was a big bite, guys. 6.15 pounds, my new PB on topwater. Yeah, I didn't even know it was that big because it just kind of munched it, and I was like, all right. Then it started to fight. I was like, okay, yeah, that's a good sized fish. So 44th fish 5 pounds or bigger, guys, and I'm catching a lot of 6-pounders lately. I mean, they're girthing up because usually it'd be a little bit more 5-pounders, but yeah, I'm catching a lot of 6-pounders now, guys. And she's fully girthing up, guys. Absolute beautiful fish, and she choked it too. So let me show you guys what I caught it on just once again. So Concept Z slide, and we got the dual pitch from 13 Fishing, guys. Can't beat that. All right, that's a tank, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Set her down here, she's still got a lot of energy. She's gonna find an easy way through the grass. Grass is thick, but I definitely couldn't throw her out past it, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. Hey, thank you for watching. I gotta say, I'm pretty pumped up for that topwater PB. Obviously, that's not my PB overall, but that is my biggest fish I've ever caught on topwater. And the way that things are going, guys, the way that the fish are biting topwater now, I expect to break it again very soon. Just getting to be that time of year down here in Florida, you know, the fish are starting to move up, and if I could find a giant on bed and bring that walking bait or a frog straight over their bed and get them to commit and eat, it's going to be a big fish because they're all starting to get real thick now. But I hope you guys like this video. Huge shout out to Paul from Far Outdoors. I make fun of him all the time. He makes fun of me. We bust each other's chops, but you know, we're real good friends. And you guys should head on over and subscribe to his channel, guys. I'm telling you. I'll leave a link to one of his videos down in the description. And I'll leave one of his videos like over here, whatever. Yeah. So, anyway, guys. So, Happy New Year's. This is the first video released of the new year. None of this was filmed, you know, in 2021. But, yeah. So, I do have one on deck that you guys are really going to like. And I wrapped it up on January 2nd. But anyway, guys, like I always say, right time, right place, right bait, and a whole lot of luck. Cheers, guys, and keep on fishing.